organizing. We are putting up a Savannah Larson Savannah mid-view storm door, 32-inch. Required opening size is 32 by 80.5. That's what I was getting my measurements for, but I do need a special support. In this situation, start with your base first. And you gotta have a good foundation to start with. So, threshold of the door overhangs the foundation of the house, so I need to support it, keep it from flexing down when it's stepped on. Foundation has a minor taper. Take the board here.
You said, well, let me think about it a couple of days,
Gives me the threshold support, so we'll move it in place.
It's within the other aspects.
Silicone.
Fear. I was a little scared of, heat for 3.5 years.
Once that sets up,
I don't think anyone
shouldn't go anywhere. And I'm going to give it a couple taps, so just make sure it's tight. Good. Now, so we take our hinge side first. I'm going to use my Z-bar extender for this side. This is going to be the hinge side. It's going to be this one because it's going to go on this side here. Stick it on here so we have our base. Good to go. And then all the way top, there's an eyelet up here for a screw, mark the bottom, and each hinge, just the top three, mark where they're at. Always think 3.5-inch screws behind the hinge side of the door to squeeze the material. You'll also want to pre-drill so you don't split material. Broken bit. Also, when checking the size of your opening, you want to check the depth. Make sure you're at least 1 inch from the jamb edge to the exterior of the material. If you're not 1 inch, you need to add material. Now your hanger screw. all of our silvers. 1 inch for the hinge, side of the door. And install the hinge as instructed. Having the Z-bar in there on the bottom, on each side of the bottom. Now this is the back side of the door, so I have it on the right side of the door. The orientation that I'm hanging it up. I'm going to remove this top screw up here, because that is where your first hanger screw goes for the hinge. Okay. Now, stand this up. Always facing right. Rest it up in here. So stay in place. Pull it down and find that first screw. And now drill in the middle. Set your hinge. Set your hinge up in here. Drilled in place, set your screw. They also have higher monthly premiums and no prescription drug costs. If you want to part D drug costs, your original Medicare, now, let's take a look at right, everything is good. Go and set it. Next, you hold the door from the inside, hanging on that eye hole for the hanger screw. So you can connect with an urgent care, a doctor, or even a mental health professional. Tighten her down. Doctors and hospitals. And remember, most of you have Medicare Advantage. Next, check the plumb. Look at my line here, my gap. Looks really good. My gap here looks really good. Happy with it. So I'm going to stick 2 more screws, one on the bottom, one on the top. Move that Z-bar cylinder down. Got everything in place. I'm also looking good. Plumb. I'm not doing any of this on these 2 lines here, which is good. Do top one first. Hinge side screw first. Square up your line. Generally, put that a little closer because that's how these doors hang. Alright, now latch side T-bar. Extender on the bottom. The car is just marked abandoned. On some of the lawn. It's parked in the curb, the doors are closed, the lights are still on. They surrounded the door, cautiously approach you. Check the clearance. Or the top. extender to the bottom. Now see the rest of the screws. Next is the handle. There's a little fold out. Stick it in the end of the door. Mark the spot. With the drill. On all three. Okay, and we'll turn it around. Do the same on the other side. Black male, maybe 20s or 30s, 6'2" or 6'3", 20%. Now do halfway. Turn around halfway. Now drill open to the sides. Again, doing half and half. Clean out. Ending ridge here, got a large power here, another ending ridge. Clean up. First latch. There it is. You gotta find the loose spot. These things rub a little bit on this kind of handle and door. But get centered up in the hole, it's good to go. Now it screws in the end. So good. Closes and latches. It's tight. No shake. Mark the center of the latch so that my latch plate will be set correctly. Then we'll take the latch plate and center it up on the mark. Pre-drill my hole. Actually, these are self-drilling screws, so. That line in the middle, as long as you got it in the middle. It's a bit wobbly here. Self-tapping screws. there. And there. Check it close. Good to go. Get off my marks. Now I've got the sweep closer, the decorative exterior parts, window latch. Not really much left. But slide the sweep on here. Okay, after the closer's on, got the other ports. Check the lock. There. And then we've got the spring unit and handle for the window. Got some screw caps to go into the outside of the door here. It's easy to set them, and then take a back end of the bit to kind of knock them in, get good and nice look on them.
So you're already there. Well,